Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here at the top we can see a battery level. The second one is to go to settings. Now choose connected devices, and right here we can also check a battery level. And the last one, and the better one for me, is to use an application. So just open it, and right here we can check a battery level of our earbuds and the charging case. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!